If you want to create short cinematic clips without wasting credits, here's how to generate 8-second videos using Veo 3.1 Lite inside Artlist AI. First, open Artlist AI and go to the AI video tool inside the AI toolkit. Next, choose either text to video or image to video, depending on your workflow. Now, open the model selector and select Veo 3.1 Lite, which is designed for fast, low-cost video generation and supports up to 8-second clips. After selecting it, go to the duration setting and set it to 8 seconds. This is the maximum clip length supported by Veo 3.1 Lite. Then, choose your aspect ratio like 9:16 for TikTok or 16:9 for YouTube. Now, write a clear prompt describing your scene. Include subject, action, lighting, and camera movement for better results. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Wait for the AI to process the request, then preview your 8-second cinematic clip.